from police sources, I do not have any briefing about any entry into his premises.
How were you able to know that Kyagulanyi is in his house?
Because I got a briefing to that effect. I have been briefed because by the time I come to speak to the press, I come to speak to the press on their account. I mean on the premise of the briefing. So the briefing I got today morning in respect to the status of Mr. Kyagulanyi, Bobby Wine, is that he is in his home or his house. He is at his place. Yes.
Okay, did any helicopter land is in his compound, or was there a helicopter hovering around? Because that is the information that is out there, that the helicopter went to his house and picked him up.
Now, believe what I have told you. The information I'm giving you is that Honorable Kyagulanyi is in his home. Are we together?
Yes, and the helicopter...
If I get information otherwise, I will still call you at this very premise and brief you to that effect.
Mr. PRO,
please.
Leaving the scene, are we allowed to go to Kyagulanyi's home and see whether it's inside? Will police allow
that is a decision we shall make later on our estimate of the nature of security. Because my brother, you know very well, we have had instances where media becomes part and source of inciting violence. Now, what you need to know as a whole is that all our actions have one end state, have one specific objective, to ensure that nobody destabilizes our security. Not a journalist, not any form of reporting, not any citizen, not even Kyagulanyi himself. So we shall, and I repeat, all our actions shall be geared at preventing any individual or group of individuals from inciting violence. So if in our intelligence estimates and predictions is that the movements of the fourth estate is in any way going to propound, is going to incite, is going to have an effect on violence, we certainly shall take countermeasures, which may include certain measured restrictions.
So we are not allowed to access it?
We shall come out clear on that. Read my statement. Let me also answer a colleague